Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr listener from the Screen Protector. Yay! Guys, I had to postpone this release of this video, because I'm just looking and not the video which I've released just now, but the day before was just 1S and spa treatment. Actually, it turns out it should be more, it should be artifacts on the screen, but not. Look, another Xbox in my possession, this time not the customer's one, with intact sticker. Let's void it. I bought it with a power cable and the HDMI cable. Happy days. I bought it with 2 games, so I paid £50 for Red Redemption and Call of Duty Black Ops. And Red Redemption has even a map. So I didn't have these. I got Call of Duty Ghosts. And this one is Black Ops. Whatever. If I would have time to play, probably, and if I would have a passion to this game or these games, probably, but because I don't, who cares? It will be lying on the time when I will have time to play or mood to play, or well, that will take a wee while. Guys, I'll get my tools ready. Let's start some fun. Got some pry tools. Guys, it's 2 minutes of the recording and 9 seconds. Let's see if I can open it in 5, yeah? I don't believe I can open it in 5. I've never opened it in 5. So I won't be pausing the video. I don't care much about if I'll crack it open more or less. I wanna open it in 5. Okay, I just wanna. I can. I've got more plastics. I can afford to lose it. Going too great to be true. Okay, and the last one. Oh, it's down here. Oh, my favorite corner. Oh, come on. You little cheeky monkey. Oh, come on. Nobody wants you here. Okay. Out. Well, not bad. Not bad, I can say. The speaker here. If we get no time, let's do the green ones. Come on, quickly. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I don't want to use electric one, that would be cheating. 4. Oh, you don't see. 5 and 6. Okay, let's do now these silver ones. Ooh, tough one. Guys, it's 4 minutes. I've got 3 minutes. Can I do it in 5 without the electric screwdriver? Oh, you little. Wow. My muscles are in pain. I see some small liquid damage here, by the way, as well. So speed with the time. Okay, let's get this one out. Let's get it out. Let's get it out. Come on, come on. And the small one. But, okay, this is unscrewed. And this one is unscrewed as well. Let's change to the smaller one, because we don't want to leave a clamp on. I don't know if it's working, to be true. I don't even want to test it, like, whatever. I want to do those 4 last screws, open it. This kit for those screws here, it's a I'm surprised because my wife paid for it like less than £15 or about £15. It's really cheap and quite robust. So I'm surprised that, you know, these screwdrivers are still holding. Okay, last one. Let's do it. Guys, it's 6 minutes. Come on, come on, come on, come on. How it is? Well, not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Where we were. Out here. Oh, not terrible. Seen worse. I don't know if it's 500 or 1 terabyte. That can stay for now. I need to watch out because the last time I've done it, for some reason, I don't know, but it blown off the 1 terabyte or 500. What? I've got no idea, guys. That's Toshiba, that's blowing my socks off. I don't know idea. I got no idea. Okay, so we need this card out. Oh, here is a record roll 7 minutes, so it's about 5 minutes, guys. So I would say, to be on the safe side, to say how long it takes to open an Xbox, I would say about 7 minutes if you want to be really quick. And of course don't use any electric screwdriver, yeah? I'm just saying by hand. Because if you can use an electric screwdriver, you probably can go below 5 minutes. I will test next time, because I wanted to test first by hand. Okay, that's the last screw, guys. The last. And then that's us. We can take this board out. You see? Voila. Can grab it properly. Okay. And the clamp. And that's us. Once the clamp is down, job is done. Oh, why I can't? I know why. Because I'm using another flat screwdriver. And I don't have this proper turn. Whereas with the screwdriver, if inserted the right way. Wow! Don't remember when I was last time suffering so much. Okay. Nine and a half minutes. We had about 2 minutes, yeah, about 7 minutes. But that's with a manual, okay? That's with a manual. If we would have electric, even if I would use this, I would say below 5 minutes, guys. Below 5 minutes and it's out, it's open, yes? It's no secret. Now, I want to see only if there's any liquid damage on the surface. That's what I want to see. Let me just have a wee look. No, nothing. I can see that it's only the dust. Not even on the MOSFETs or on the RAM. Just the dust. Okay, nothing here. So the small amount of liquid damage I've seen, the white stuff, if somebody would not know, there's a white stuff that's from the manufacturer. Okay, so it is here only, and here as well on the ground pads. That's it. So fortunately there's nothing on the main board. Okay, so maybe we'll be saved in that case. So yeah, okay, so in that case we can check how many gigabytes we've got. And that's Toshiba. Weird. I don't know, guys. 1 terabyte. Okay, that's 1 terabyte. You know what we can do? Before we will finish the video, because that video has already over 10 minutes, and I'll be tidying it up tomorrow. And before assembling it, yes, I want to test the performance of the, how you call it, of the hard drive. Okay, that's only what I want to do. So I'll get those. Where are you, boys? That's a bigger one. Oh, that's a smaller one, I think. Or maybe the bigger one. Yeah, that's the bigger one. So I wanted to get those 4. So that's additional job. Normally I wouldn't do it, but because I bought it, yes, I want to just see it. Because if I need to sell it, I'd rather buy something maybe from Segs, the 2 years warranty, like £15. Usually I'm buying them about for. Or give an option for the customer to buy with an SSD if they want. You know, why not? See, why not? Okay. Now I need an adapter, and I don't see one here. I'll pause it, will be quicker. I'm ready. Promotion. I'm ready. Promotion. Okay. Let's get it in. Oh, it already recognized. I've got a good feeling about this hard drive. But let us add I'll run the app first. So let's put disks. Very good. And Micron, I can see that. Okay, so we can share the screen with you. Window. Okay, let's share the window and let's pick the right one, which is OBS plus. No. Oh no. What's up? Okay, I need to share a different story. I need to share a window which is not here. So window capture here, and guys, I will just add OBS plasma disks. Probably this one, yeah. Okay, so you can see me, and we can run a test on it. Mount selected partition. Can we test without a selected partition? Resize, repair, mount, restore, create, benchmark. But it's not the biggest one. That's 839. Where is the user content? That's the one which we want to benchmark. Okay. Wow. Okay. Let's start benchmarking. I'll need to provide very secure password. That's benchmark. Okay, so the test is really quick. I don't hear too much noise. This is not that bad to be true. Wow. Okay. Guys, so what we're looking at, yes, it's literally 52 megabytes per second. That dropped on milliseconds, yes, and of course on the megabytes as well. But it's really not bad, guys. I'm happy. I don't see choppiness. When I see the choppiness, then it's a problem. But if I see such smooth, I don't need to replace this hard drive. I'm telling you straight away, I don't need to do it. The only thing what I will have to do is, I'm putting here number of samples. We can do 100 actually, but what I'm doing here is something like, okay, it doesn't say 100 as well. That will take a wee while, yes, because that's, you know, that's quite a bit. But I'll pause it, okay, and let's check it in about halfway through, and then we will see if it will be quite stable. Of course, lower it will go down, but if this will be quite stable, I can switch it off and I can just finish the recording straight away. Sorry guys, I was dealing with another Xbox faulty. Well, actually this wasn't faulty, as we see, you know, by the graph. I like the graph not choppy, like a choppy chicken, like a chicken on coffin raised to sell it cheap at Asda, yeah. This is a good example of stable growth. Yes, like those chickens, those extra special at Asda. Those kinds, yes. Like I just paid last week, I think, or this week, $4.40 per chicken fights, and these hopefully were slow growing chickens. Yes, so that's a slow, not choppy chart. But okay. Out of fun, back to the business, guys. It's looking like the hard drive provided by the customer in his Xbox will live, so I'm happy to mount it back. It's 6 minutes past 11 p.m, so I will leave it for today. I will tidy up everything tomorrow, wash everything what I need to wash tomorrow. I'll put new thermal paste and I can start to put it back. But I don't want to do it after 11. I want to go sleep. What else I wanted to say? Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing if you did. Here's likes to you as well. Of course, I had to make some boo-boo here. Yeah, you can see. What can you do? You know, what can you do? And if you have any questions, leave them down below. If possible, let's fix them all. If you haven't read yet what the Intecracy is, what our mission and vision is, how we are making this world a better place, link is down below. But everyone else, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.